Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iOS 17.3 battery drain on iPhone. If your iOS 17.3 is draining your iPhone battery, there are a number of quick and easy ways to fix the problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on shutdown. Next, slide to power off and wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. If a simple restart doesn't fix this issue, perform a forced restart. To do this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and then press the power button. After 30 seconds, you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is turn on auto brightness. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on display and brightness. Next, tap on automatic toggle button to enable it and you are done. And the next step is delete battery draining apps. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to battery, tap on it. Next, tap on last 10 days option, which reveals battery usage for different apps from past week and a half. If you scroll down, you can see the apps that have used the majority of your battery life in percentage form. If an app has 20% extra use, that means it hovered up a fifth of all battery life used in the past 10 days. You can also toggle it to show the listed items by activity, keeping them ordered by battery usage. So if you have spent very little time on an app but it's high on the list for usage, that means it's a battery killer. This section also splits up the time that the apps was running in the background. Watch out for apps that use loads of battery and rack up loads of background usage time. They are particularly bad for your battery life and you are done. And the next step is disable GPS or location services. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. Next, tap on location services at the top. From here, all apps are present. Tap on any app. If you choose while using the app will still be able to determine your location while you are actively using the app. In other words, when it's on the screen, but not when it's in the background, and you are done. Next step is disable unnecessary push notifications. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on notifications, scroll down and then tap on the app you want to disable notifications for. If you get a lot of notifications but have reasons to keep them coming, consider disabling notifications vibration instead. Every time your phone vibrates, it uses energy to move a little motor in the phone. You can disable all vibration by going to settings and then tap on sound and haptics. Next, tap individual items under sound and vibration, scroll up and then tap on haptics. From here, you can delete your vibration and you are done. And the next step is adjust auto log and turn off rise to wake. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on display and brightness. Next, scroll down and then tap on auto log feature, 30 to 30 seconds or 1 minute. Furthermore, if you really want to save iOS 17.3 battery, turning off rise to wake can help. Tap on its toggle button to disable it and you are done. Next step is use dark mode and enable it by going to settings, scroll down and then tap on display and brightness and then selecting the dark option and you are done. The next step is enable low power mode. You can enable low power mode by going to settings, scroll down and go to battery and then tap on low power mode toggle button to enable it and you are done. And the next step is enable reduce motion of interface. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then go to accessibility and then tap on reduce motion to enable it and you are done. The next thing to do when troubleshooting iOS 17.3 battery drain issue is to disable background app refresh. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, tap on background app refresh and then tap on background app refresh at the top. Next, select the off option to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is turn off automatic downloads and app updates. You can turn off automatic iOS updates if desired by going to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Next, tap on automatic updates, tap on its toggle button to disable it and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iOS 17.3 battery drain on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.